you doing? It's Monday, but I'm out. I dropped the missus off at her wake, and look at the lovely weather we have. But yeah, I'm able to drive, and I begin my therapy today. Woohoo! My leg is feeling better these days. Come on. All right, I'll go. Hi, I'm Timmy the driver. A little extra cautious these days because that's the last thing I need is get hit by another car. But yeah, today I'm gonna didn't go out and do much. The weather was kind of it was all right. It was just cool over the weekend. So yeah, and took 4 days off work. But I'm gonna go to Yeege's for coffee first thing, and then I'm still doing some projects at home, and I may be able to go out and do a little bit of work tomorrow. Woohoo! Nice. We'll see how it goes. I'm taking a little bit at a time. I'm not trying to overstress anything. I also don't need to stretch out my recuperation period any more than I have to, but I also, part of the rehabilitation is to get out and try and return to normal life as quickly as I am able to. Well, anyway, that's what I'm up to. Woohoo! Just got done with therapy, my first round of therapy after this injury. And right before I went in, I got a phone call from Burbank, California, and they wanted me to do some live streaming work down in Springfield, Missouri. And I had to tell them, well, I'm sorry, I had this accident. And they're like, at the end of it all, they were very interested, but they were like, oh, okay, well, we're sorry. We'll call you back when you're feeling better. So this is like the second time this happened on freelance. And not to mention all the work I've been missing with the people I've been working with. And there's a possibility of another job offer. And if they call back and I go in for an interview, they might look at me and go, oh, well, we need somebody now. We can't we can't wait until you get better. And it baffles my mind that the person who hit me does not have financial responsibility. I don't know what happened, but his insurance company said, well, his insurance lapsed. And I'm like, so what does that mean? That means you better have some good insurance or you're going to owe a lot of money. And it's just ridiculous that people can get away with that. That they can do things and then not be responsible for it in the end. I mean, I have to be responsible for everything that I do, honestly. And I'm sure a lot of people that I would talk to would say the same thing. They don't get away with anything. But yeah, there are a lot of people out there that just, so I cost a person a lot of money and a lot of pain and a lot of suffering. So there's nothing you can do about it. So I'm going to go about my life. That shouldn't be. But what do? I mean, you put a person in jail for being socially or financially irresponsible. Then what happens is it makes them worse, and that doesn't do anything. Just puts them in jail. Then now on top of hurting you and not paying anything for it, they end up being a ward of society and costing society a lot more money. I don't know what the answer is. Anyway, so I guess I'm going home, try not to think about it.